Hi everyone, this is Suntae Kim. Let's begin the lesson with the basic word order. 나 이거 알아, which means I know this. That's the basic order. Subject, object, verb. 나 이거 좋아해. I like this. 나 이거 잘해. I'm good at this. 쟤 이거 잘해. 쟤 literally means that kid, and in most cases, it can be translated as that guy or that dude. So it's like either he's good at this or she's good at this. 걔 이거 잘해. What's the difference between these two? 쟤 is like that kid we see over there. And 걔 is like that kid who we are talking about. 걔 요리 잘해. 걔 요리 좋아해. There's one thing you can figure out here, is that, unlike English, the same form of a verb is used between when you're talking about yourself and when you're talking about someone else. And of course, you know what's the main point in this chapter, right? Subject, object, verb. Very good. Then, now let's try to make some Korean sentences. How do you say I like you in Korean? The correct order would be I, you, like. So, 나, 너, 좋아해 is the correct answer. Then how do you say I like bananas? 나 바나나 좋아해. That's it. You don't have to make it plural. Let's make one more sentence. I listen to a song. 나 노래 들어. That's it. You may try more on your own with these words. Thank you.